Thank you for joining me. My name is Matthew Prendergast. In this video, we will be reviewing the design of a remediation injection tip for the geotechnical industry. So let's just fill you in on some background. The geotechnical industry will inject remediation material down perforated wells and into soil to assist with the rehabilitation of a contaminated site. This media may be CO2 or hydrogen peroxide or water. They typically perform this task at about 60 psi, but the pump is capable of producing 200 psi and the well casing is capable of withstanding 200 psi, so that is certainly a design consideration. At the root of this tool, we have an injection tube that is inserted into the well casing. There are packers on the bottom that will be used to produce the seal against the well casing. These will be activated by the compression member, which is another pipe over the injection tube. Aligned with the compression member are the brake shoes that will hold the implement within the casing. At the top, the handle will be used to operate the injection tip. Once lowered into the well casing, we use the handle to draw the injection tube against the compression member, therefore activating the seal against the casing. As injection pressure within the well casing tries to force the implement out of the well casing, the wedges on the compression member respectively force the brake shoe to engage the walls of the well casing. Upon completion of the injection, we are ready to extract the tool from the well. By design, the operator must disengage the pump line before he can rotate the handle to disengage the brake shoes. This is to ensure that the casing is no longer under pressure prior to the brake shoes being disengaged. With the handle rotated, the cables retract the brake shoes and the implement is extracted. I really like this project. To develop the initial direction, a lot of thought was given to how the operator would be using the product in the field. Once a concept direction was chosen, this project provided the opportunity to perform actual calculations and utilize some of the more advanced components within SolidWorks to validate the design. Many aspects of the brake shoes were justified using SolidWorks components. The length of the shoes was closely examined to avoid damaging the well casing, as well as the design of the wedges to avoid galling of the material. I think this project demonstrates a good balance of both concept exploration and actual product development skills. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found this review engaging while providing an opportunity to assess some of the skills, experience, and thought processes behind the product. I look forward to collaborating with you in the future.